Okay, hey guys, so this is going to be a really short one today. Not too much to this, but there's not a lot of content of it being done online. So we figured we'd make a quick how-to. Basically how to install the N performance parts from Korea. But now like there's a bunch of resellers, I think 6 resells their parts now. Basically the Alcantara armrest. So the OEM one is kind of like a weird, like, I don't know, faux leather, like soft touch material. Not bad for the price point, but I don't know, I'm a slut for Alcantara, so I'm gonna put this on. No, basically this is just from the N Parts Korea. Hopefully we'll have these in the future, but yeah, it's just a suede replacement. A little bit cushier, I don't know, it feels like it's a lot better, and everyone likes suede, and it also has the blue stitching. So we'll do a quick how-to. It's like a 5-minute job, and yeah, make it a little bit nicer. Okay, so step one, just open the armrest. There is, yeah, like a felt cover underneath it. Depending on how long your nails are, you can push this, or not, like pull up here. My nails aren't really long, so I just used a flathead carefully and just pry up the felt, remove the felt. And I already loosened them obviously, but there's 2 10mm bolts down there. What you gotta do is just remove them, and that'll allow easier access to get to the rear cover, which will go through in the back. So I wouldn't say there's an art to this part of it, but basically this portion back, including this, is well, technically it's 2 pieces, but this part will come back out, and that exposes the I think it's 2 screws that hold this on. I've done it once before off camera, just so we know. But basically, with those 2 bolts out, you can kind of like lift up on this a little bit. So I found it easiest to kind of like put your fingers underneath it, kind of pull outwards. And if you wiggle it enough, it will come back. So just kind of give it some, yep, see that's one side came out. Just give it some, yeah, backward force. There we go. And then it pops out. What I'll try to do in the future too, so like the US Elantra ends don't have the vents in the rear. What I might try to do, and it's kind of, I guess, not legit, but it's faux. But anyways, we can probably get the part number of this guy, because again, it's two pieces, right? You could probably get A, the part number of this, it has the vents, and B, you can probably get the ducting. But honestly, just getting the vents would probably make it look a lot nicer. No one's gonna know that it's not. I mean, I don't know. All like rear vents in cars like barely work anyways. But it does make it look less crappy though, if it has vents. So I don't know, maybe I'll look around for the part number, see if we can find something like that. And then yeah, basically you can add vents to your car as well. So anyways, so that exposes the 2 screws here. Just uses a Phillips head. Let me look at this to make sure that that is the case. Yes, so it actually looks like it's 4. So those two, and just get a large Phillips head. And I gotta run to the garage to get that. Okay, so again, just large Phillips head. Remove the 4 screws here, and it should come out. And it looks like there is locating tabs as well, so that kind of makes it easy. Help out. So yep, 4 screws. Remove that. Make sure you keep it. Okay, and then Alcantara one. Again, there's like 2 locating tabs here. So let's pop that guy back on. And we'll be Gucci. And then we'll have a moderately nicer car. Now that is done, luckily we have so much room in these spacious back seats. You can put this back on. Basically, it snaps back in. Looks like there is, yeah, so 6 tabs in general. But realistically, if you just apply force forward, it just pops on. Just make sure you kind of got it located in the right spot. Yeah, super easy install. Doing the top first seems to work out really well. And yeah, and then we'll put the two 10mm bolts on the front, and then you put the felt back on, and you're done. So let's do that. Pretty easy.
Oh wait, I don't think I was recording for the last bit.
What do you mean?
When you put it in. I'm just fucking with you.
Jesus fucking Christ. I have to kill you. It's the one thing I probably fucking hate is when we miss shots. All right, anyways, yeah, put the two 10mm back. Super easy job, and interestingly enough, like this console looks like it's basically like one piece, like basically this whole thing. So I'm pretty sure that's really all you need to remove it. Maybe like this two up front, but anyhow. Okay, anyways, so yeah, two 10mm. Pop the felt back in, and you are all set. And I usually put this back in here, honestly.
Nice.
And yeah, nice and comfy.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Like
stitching, perfectly.
Stitching matches.
It's awesome.
Yep. I mean, it's an OE part. I wish we got the End Performance store parts in the U.S. I don't really know why we don't. But that would make it really easy. And again, like they have, Alcantara steering wheel. They have a shift boot too. Is what it is. But yeah, I mean that would be pretty nice if we got all that in the U.S. But it's easy enough. There's a lot of resellers. So yeah, that's how you do an Alcantara armrest.
All right, well there you go. Super quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed. More content coming soon. See ya.